Guys, this is how you repair a parking sensor fault on a Suzuki Vitara 2016 model. You gotta go into the computer and get the fault codes. I found the fault codes in the ECU called combination meter. Okay, and this is the fault code. So when you have a parking sensor fault, you want to try and swap a sensor from left to right to see if the fault code moves. That will tell you that the wiring is okay. So the fault was on the left, and I swapped the sensor to the right, so now the current code is on the right. History code, which is like intermittent or past fault, was there, right? So I'm about to change the front right sensor. This is a new sensor from Toyota. The price of the sensor was £44.14. So this is actually the front left, but when I took it out to swap it, the rubber inside of it fell out, so I'm going to swap a new one in. But it tends to come out like this. You have to press a button. So I accessed it by slightly removing the lock, putting my hand through in there. I removed the trim panel like this, slightly broken, but it'll be fine. And it saves me removing the bumper. Okay, so now just clear the faults. See if we won. Come on. Come back up into codes. No faults. Present. Start engine. So sensors on. Check codes again. No codes present. So I believe we have one. Alright, so this car is nearly back together. This thing here is called the cruise control radar, and I'm just getting this video because obviously it's got some adjustment. So I want to get this video out there so you can see how many threads are in this side, just in case you had to reposition it and you didn't have a set finger. So there you go. Less up. Back in business.